ever feel like your retirement plans are stuck in a never-ending game of Monopoly, where the only property you own is the go-to-work space? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the twisted maze of retirement, where the only way out seems to be the sweet release of, well, never retiring. Stick around to the end to discover how you can escape the retirement rat race with a twist of creativity. For more awesome content like this, subscribing is the way to go. And of course, liking this video helps it reach more people. Now, let's get started. You know that picturesque image of sipping margaritas on a beach, basking in the glory of your golden years? Well, snap out of it. That dream is about as likely as spotting a unicorn gracefully riding a skateboard. According to a recent bank rate survey, 55% of Americans are behind on their retirement savings, and a staggering 10% have no clue where their retirement funds are hiding. It's like our money has turned into a master of disguise, playing an expert game of hide and seek. And, unfortunately, we're losing terribly. Now, let's shine a spotlight on the millennials, the generation that was supposed to revolutionize the world. Turns out, they're making waves, but not in the retirement game. A whopping 66% of working millennials have achieved the grand total of 0 in their golden year savings account. And here we thought their biggest concern was the price of avocado toast. It seems the only toast they're concerned about is the one they'll be giving at their retirement party. Enter Fidelity, our financial fairy godmother, telling us we should have 6 times our salary stashed away by the grand age of 50. Now, I don't know about you, but my savings account is more of a choose-your-own-adventure story. And spoiler alert, I always end up broke by page 3. Fidelity's advice sounds more like a magical quest than a practical financial plan. Can someone pass me the map to the treasure chest of endless wealth, please? In this financial fairy tale, it's like Fidelity handed us a magic wand and said, 6 times your salary, my dear, and all your dreams will come true. Well, if only turning dreams into dollars was that easy. If my savings account were a storybook, it would be a tragic tale of unexpected plot twists, financial dragons, and an ending that's more cliffhanger than happily ever after. So, Fidelity, thanks for the enchanting advice, but I'm still waiting for my financial wizardry powers to kick in. But hey, let's not get too bogged down by numbers. After all, math was always more of a suggestion than a rule, right? Now, why are we all strapped into this roller coaster of financial despair? It's time to blame it on the 3 musketeers of financial chaos: inflation, a shaky banking system, and the ever-elusive concept of living within your means. It's like we're fighting a duel against economic forces, and the odds are not in our favor. As one wise person aptly put it, I feel like right now, I could be spending on a lot more important things. You know, like gas, because it's so expensive. Welcome to Adulting 101, where the struggle is real and the financial jousting never ends. But hold on, there's more to this financial drama. Millennials have adopted a YOLO philosophy with gusto. Why save for a house when you can splurge on life experiences? Vacations become their version of a 401k for the soul. Who needs a house when you can amass memories and a towering pile of student loan debt? It's a financial strategy that says, why buy a home when you can buy a ticket to Bali? So, while others are fretting about property values, millennials are out there soaking up sunsets and creating a mental scrapbook of adventures. It's not a lack of financial sense. It's a conscious choice to invest in the richness of life instead of the square footage of a home. Let's face it, planning for retirement is like being trapped in an escape room with no exit in sight. You think you've cracked the code, mapped out your route to financial freedom, and then, bam! A trapdoor opens and you're back at square one. Why? Because investing for retirement is about as thrilling as watching paint dry, only with higher stakes. It's a maze of financial decisions, dead ends, and the occasional false exit. And just when you think you've deciphered the clues, the rules change and you're left scrambling to make sense of it all. Retirement planning is not for the faint-hearted. It's a perpetual puzzle that keeps us on our toes, questioning whether there's ever truly a way out. Enter the world of investing, a thrilling roller coaster ride that promises excitement but often delivers a side order of anxiety. Picture this: the market, a relentless roller coaster, has showcased a dazzling 10% return over the past century. Sounds enticing, right? Well, fasten your seatbelts because when it comes to the average investor, the thrilling ride takes an unexpected turn. Brace yourself for a meager 4.25%. It's like trying to dance to a beat you can't even hear, a financial tango where every misstep could cost you dearly. The exhilaration of potential gains is tempered by the looming shadows of potential losses. Investing, much like a roller coaster, comes with its share of highs and lows, and the fear of the unknown can be downright paralyzing. Imagine the market as a carnival, complete with flashing lights, heart-stopping loops, and the occasional unexpected twists. Investors, they're the daring acrobats, attempting flips and turns without the safety net of certainty. It's an adrenaline-fueled pursuit where financial acumen meets the unpredictability of the market. The fun of the financial circus isn't always what it seems, as every exhilarating climb is followed by a stomach-dropping descent. In this financial amusement park, investors are not merely spectators. They're active participants, navigating loops of economic trends and unforeseen events. The allure of potential gains might propel them to attempt daring maneuvers, but the reality is that the market doesn't always adhere to the script. Spoiler alert, the financial circus isn't always as fun as it seems from the outside. The whims of the market can turn a thrilling ride into a nerve-wracking ordeal. Just like any roller coaster, investors may find themselves questioning their decisions at every twist and turn. The financial tango becomes a delicate dance of risk and reward, with a constant reminder that, in this carnival of finance, surprises are inevitable. So, as you step into the world of investing, remember that the ride might be wild, the twists unexpected, and the turns heart-stopping. Strap in, hold on tight, and hope that the financial roller coaster doesn't leave you with more than just a few stomach-churning moments. It's a ride where caution meets courage, and success is often determined by the ability to navigate the unpredictable terrain of the market carnival. Now, let's talk about the silent killer of retirement dreams, the fear of missing out, or FOMO in investing. Whether it's chasing the allure of the next big stock or hoping to strike it rich with the latest investment trend, we're all victims of the grass is greener on the other side syndrome. But here's the spoiler: the grass is often just as green, or even greener right where you are. FOMO leads us down rabbit holes of risky decisions, enticing promises, and the constant nagging feeling that everyone else is getting rich while we're missing the boat. It's the psychological game that plays tricks on our financial judgment and leaves us questioning whether our investment choices are truly the right ones. So beware of the FOMO trap, because in the world of investing, the grass may look greener, but it's not always the retirement paradise we imagine. So there you have it, folks. Retirement, the escape room we can't seem to crack. But hey, who needs early retirement when you can live vicariously through YouTube videos, right? Thank you for tuning in to another insightful episode of Wealthway. We trust that the strategies and insights discussed here will help you on your financial path. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more wealth building content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, Drop them in the comment section below. Until our next rendezvous, continue your journey towards financial success. And always remember, your wealth is within reach.